So maybe before I jump in, I don't think originally I was supposed to be here, but I am filling in last minute for Erin, who unfortunately has fallen ill. So we do wish her a speedy recovery. Nonetheless, I'm super excited to support her and then in turn, hopefully support you guys here as well. So thank you for having us. Welcome. Happy Friday, happy weekend, and then more importantly, happy International Women's Day. My name is Cole. I am with the talent acquisition team here at Boomi. I have been here for roughly a year. We're coming up on that year mark, so time flies when you're having fun. And I'm supporting engineering, product, IT, as well as strategy operations and sales here within Boomi. And at Boomi, we believe in accountability as well as transparency and proudly enable innovation. When you work at Boomi, you can be your true, authentic self in our unique, independent culture. Our company motto is be bold, be you, and be Boomi. We are a remote first work environment, and we've recently been recognized by Flex as one of the world's most flexible employers, voted by our own. We've also celebrated the grand opening of our US headquarters this week, and we've also invested in several other hubs to include locations in Vancouver, Barcelona, as well as an upcoming office in Australia. So these locations will provide areas for Boomi as well as meetings and our customer, as well as meetings for local employees to work from. So we will have a hybrid kind of work model for our employees located near those office locations to go into, roughly about 3 days per week. And we offer a very wide range of benefits that reflect our commitment to our people. So our benefits are designed to provide employees with choices, flexibility, as well as value. Starting off with some flexible time off. We also offer medical, dental, vision, and prescription benefits. 401k will actually match 100% of your contributions up to 6% of the year, and you'll become fully vested immediately. So the flexible time off, medical, dental, vision, as well as prescription benefits and our 401k are all accessible on day one. We also offer 12 weeks of parental paid leave, fertility support, tuition reimbursement, career and personal support, fitness reimbursement, pain management, legal assistance, as well as rewards and recognitions. Some of the open roles that we have here: software quality engineer and software quality engineering lead, senior software engineer, as well as a senior product owner. I would implore everyone here to please keep an eye on our careers pages. We will have more availability for roles in the future. We've also created a Girl Geek source code. So if you are applying, if maybe you know someone or if this sounds like a good role to one of your friends, like have them use that source code so we can recognize you guys for being here. Jumping into our hiring process, we do move rather short and sweet. First would be a recruiter phone screen with myself or Erin or any of our fabulous recruiters here, followed by a hiring manager interview. For engineering, it does vary a little different. It's about 1 to 2 panels, which usually involves a hacker rank exercise. For product, there are 1 to 2 panels with a mix of our engineering as well as product members. And then lastly, a wrap up with our hiring manager. I am super excited to maybe see you guys in the next round and answer any questions that you have. But I'd love to pass it over to Bindu.
Hi all, thank you, Cole. Happy Women's Day again, everyone. I'm Bindu Mugundan. I'm the Senior Engineering Manager at Boomi. Been with Boomi for the past 2.5 years. For those who don't know Boomi is the largest cloud-native integration company offering the best integration and automation platform for businesses. We have more than 20,000 customers and growing and pretty much unstoppable at this point. So as Cole had mentioned, this is the 10th consecutive year that Boomi has been recognized as an industry leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant. It's super exciting. In the space of integration platform as a service is where we have been recognized as a leader. This is a testament of the innovation, the resilience, and the excellence that makes Boomi the who we are. In terms of when it comes to the different Boomi products that we have, of course, integration, which is the core that helps you connect your data and your applications. We have Boomi AI that automates integration with generative AI. We have B2B ADI to collaborate with your trading partners. We have a master data hub feature that provides a 360 view of your data. We have APIM, the event streams, and we have Flow, which is a tool, automated workflow tool with low code that you can use. So these are the different Boomi products that we have. Again, Boomi is made up of very dedicated, talented, and passionate individuals that really make it successful. Our core values are be bold, which means being transparent, innovative, and accountable, being you, being our true and authentic self. We have a lot of ERGs that allow us to meet and share our passions and together as a community. Be Boomi, of course, which is a unique and independent culture that really focuses on rewarding for performance, growing talent, and is very inclusive, making it an amazing place to work for. So, and again, we just had a grand opening in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania, like 2 days back. It's an amazing office space, and we were very vibrant. We all went in for the grand opening, and it has the facilities and the collaborative spaces that is included in the office space is awesome. Free Friday lunches, and we have a barista cafe with all free pastries, whatnot, and it's just exciting to have this space to use to collaborate, innovative, and grow, and continue to have Boomi, the amazing company it is right now. So again, super happy to be working with Boomi, and I'm passing on to Nina Francis, who's a principal engineer in R&D. So, Nina.
Thanks, Bindu. Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. Good morning. Thank you for this opportunity, first of all, to be able to share some of my thoughts on my career at Boomi. So I've been with Boomi for around 6+ years now. And speaking about our team, we are a team of 6 individuals, 4 developers and 2 QEs. So we are responsible for the development of new features, as well as like the support of our connector SDK, which as well as all of its peripheral services. So the SDK is our development framework, or you can call it a collection of code libraries that our partners and our customers use to develop and implement their own custom connectors. So connector would be like the main integration component of the Boomi Atomsphere platform that allows all our users to seamlessly integrate their different enterprise applications. And I want to speak more about my role here. So that has significantly evolved over the past 6 years. I used to be an individual contributor implementing features and also like solving complex customer use cases. And now to where I am today, where I am an integral part of the discovery, as well as the feature development, the design of these new features. Most of these requirements come from our product or our support or our success teams, which is all based on customer needs. So following the discovery, we have grooming, brainstorming of acceptance criteria, testing strategies, and then the actual implementation of these features and their delivery. Outside of that, I've also been leading the team with most of our agile ceremonies, which I believe has helped us get through our commitments with quality and on time. So the growth I've experienced here is not just technical, but also with my leadership and also strategic thinking. So I'm very grateful for that from Boomi. So that's a great thing that you will see here. And speaking to the tools and technologies that we use here, it's been continuous learning and adaptation. We've been constantly trying to modernize our tool set. So we work on both new and old technologies like Java, GWT, SQL, Groovy, REST API, Ansible, New Relic. There's so many. Even our CI/CD pipelines have moved from Bamboo to Harness, and now we're to Jenkins, and now we're at Harness, and also DevOps roles with all our AWS stacks.